Hello gente, aquí estamos en un nuevo vídeo, obviamente, y como podéis leer en el título, vamos a jugar al capítulo 9 de The Walking Dead Season 2. En el último capítulo nos quedamos en que Jane se fue del grupo y nos dejó con un regalito muy bonito, que es que molestó a un pobre cojo ruso, a un niño, y pues nada, ahora ha venido con toda su familia, y pues nada, también murió Rebecca. ¿Vale? Se transformó, la tuvimos que disparar y entonces empezó un tiroteo increíble. Pero bueno, vamos a iniciar ya el último capítulo de esta temporada. Madre mía, qué rápido lo he hecho todo. Madre mía, esto me pasa por hacer capítulos largos. Bueno, nos van a hacer un resumen, como siempre. Vale, y ahora estamos justo donde lo dejamos, con un tiroteo que flipas. Y madre mía, ¿eh? Madre mía. Y todo por el cojo, que encima yo no le quería ni robar. Pero en fin, la hipotenusa, ¿eh? Me he caído. No me digas que me han disparado. Yo creo que no, ¿eh? Ahí está, Luke. Yo no estoy a cubierto, ¿eh? Yo estoy en todo el suelo, en todo el medio del campo de batalla. ¡Ay, no! ¡El bebé! ¡Ay, el bebé! Voy a ir hacia el bebé, vamos. Uy, 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 que me dan. No me voy a ir con Luke. No, ni de coña, voy a salvar al bebé. El bebé. El bebé prioridad. No lo voy a dejar aquí, hombre. ¿Estamos locos? No, sí se nota. De verdad, han dejado ahí a un bebé a la intemperie. A ver, quédate acá abajo, porque si no... Claro. Ay, Kenny es el mejor, ¿eh? Bueno, lo intentaré. Claro, ten en cuenta que llevo un bebé en brazos. Vale, vale. Yo me encargo. Ahí. No le he dado, creo, ¿eh? No, no le he dado. Definitivamente no le he dado. ¿Estás bien? No está bien, ¿no? Pero bueno. Bueno, a ver, al menos ha sido en la pierna, ¿sabes? Podría haberte dado en todo el pulmón. A ver. Le va a coger de rehén al cojo. ¿Qué haces, tío? Bueno, mira, me sirve, pero yo creo que le va a le suda la polla al niño. Y esta se está levantando, madre mía. Uy. Adiós, colega, adiós. ¿Cómo que no? Si ya estaba muerta. Me iba a comer a mí y al bebé. Natasha. No me mires así, ¿eh? Que encima yo no te había hecho nada. ¿Y este qué le pasa? ¿Ves? Te dije que iba a volver. Que me iba a echar de menos. Si es que normal, si es que soy divina. Si es que Clementine es la mejor del mundo. Yo también me echaría de menos. Ay.
Safe to come out.
Here, I got him.
Vale, cuida del bebé porque madre mía. Y gente, se han cubierto todos dejando al bebé en el suelo, ¿sabes? Los bonitos.
Jesus Christ. That was intense.
Sí.
I thought that was it.
Yeah, it was for these assholes.
¿Estás bien?
Are you okay? I think so.
Vale. ¿Por qué has
I
vuelto?
didn't know this man. I've never killed someone that didn't wrong me in some way, that didn't deserve it. Tried to pretend he was a walker.
Ah, bueno.
It's different. I didn't think it would be.
Se lo
He
merecía.
deserved it. He was trying to kill us.
Yeah, that's why I did it, but
Ya, bueno. Cosas que pasan. La culpabilidad y todas esas cosas forman partes del ser humano, ¿sabes? ¿Estás segura de esto? Porque tú no te querías
Sure
quedar.
about this?
as sure as I'm gonna be.
Pues sí que estás tú muy segura, ¿eh? Estás, vamos. Súper segura.
How did this happen?
She turned. Just like that.
Sí, he salvado al bebé.
Clem
Un gracias no estaría
started
bien.
it first. Did what she had to protect the child.
Claro, a ver, a mí me han
This isn't
encargado
your
cuidar de
fault,
este niño.
Okay? She just lost too much blood.
Pues sí.
It ain't nobody's fault.
Es que embarazarse en
You saved
mitad del
the boy's
apocalipsis, un poco duro, ¿eh?
You know, we could have done better by her.
She was just too far gone.
Ahora está con Alvin.
She's with Alvin now.
Yeah, she is. Don't worry, Becca. We'll take care of your boy. You rest easy.
Uy, Kenny está cabreadísimo con Arvo. No me extraña.
You piece of shit!
Hey,
Uy,
hey!
qué leche te ha dado.
Stop! Guys! Get off me! Come on!
It's over, man. He ain't a threat to
¿Que no
us.
es una amenaza?
Of course he is!
La que ha liado el niño.
Out of the way!
Whoa! What are you doing?
I'm doing the same thing this asshole tried to do to us!
It doesn't
Yo me
have to
callo.
go down
Yo
like that.
Kenny, please!
no digo
He's
nada.
just a scared kid, man.
Sí, un chico asustado que menudo ha liado, ¿eh?
This house, food, please, please, I can take you.
Ah, que
Bullshit.
tienes una casa.
No, it's true. We have place, not far. Food.
See? He wants to help.
Sí,
Oh,
ir a
don't be
ayudar.
stupid. He's just trying to save us.
Tal cual, ¿eh,
Why the
Kenny?
hell would you help us, huh?
I not want to see more people dead.
Then close your eyes and I'll make it quick.
If he's telling the truth,
A ver,
it
necesitamos
could
la
save
comida.
all of us.
We need the food. None of this will matter if we all starve to death.
She's right, Kenny. We're running low on supplies as it is.
It's worth the risk to check this place out. Trust him, don't trust him. It doesn't matter. We should go anyway. We just need to be careful.
Sí,
We
bueno, a
can't
ti
be
no te va a
far
hacer ni
from-
caso que te siga el
You
grupo.
stay out of this.
Literal.
These fuckers came after us in the first place.
Don't try and pin this on me.
Lay off, Kenny. She just
No
helped us.
importa,
It
tío.
doesn't matter why it happened. We have to move on.
Think about the baby, Kenny.
Claro,
Their
míralo.
supplies, we need
Pobrecito.
'em. We ain't gonna last much longer without more food.
Es la primera vez que esta señora dice algo coherente. Es
Unless
increíble.
someone's got a better plan.
We got something to tie this shitbird up.
Yeah, I got something.
Vale.
Follow me, I take you.
Yo no me
Just
fío
give
del
me a
cojo,
reason.
pero...
Yeah, man, he gets it.
Pero vamos. Por cierto, si la Natasha esa era tu hermana, muy enferma no se la veía. Igual debería haberte robado las medicinas. Si de todas formas ibas a venir a tocar los huevos, ¿sabes? Pero, en fin.
Look, I know you're probably pissed about
No, no estoy enfadada. Me la pela
When I
bastante.
heard the gunshots, I knew it was a mistake.
O sea, me da mucho
It
igual.
helps. The thing I'd normally do is walk away for good, but I didn't. Despite what my instincts are telling me, despite everything I've seen,
No digo nada, te ignoro.
everything I've been through,
Me hago la
I'm
dura.
here. I'm here to try and make this work. All I can do is promise you I won't abandon you again. Which, to be fair, I've never done before. Even though I probably should have. A few times now.
You don't gotta point the gun at him the whole time.
You forget what we just went through?
He ain't going anywhere, Kenny. No need to get
Ya,
nervous.
pero es que el niño la ha
Ay,
liado.
Kenny.
Yo tampoco me fiaría.
He's in a dark place. We gotta keep
No,
an
lo
eye
que
on
pasa es que
him.
está alterado, mucha muerte
Everything he's been
últimamente.
through. He's lost.
Deja de
So
juzgarlo.
this is you making it work? You don't have to constantly be criticizing him.
I'm not.
No,
I'm
que va.
pointing it out as a precaution.
Mira, yo conozco a Kenny de toda la vida. Está tenso,
You're the
se le
only one
nota.
that he trusts. That he really trusts. That means you're the one that's gonna have to pull him back. He's counting
Pero
on
que
you.
yo no soy su niñera, que
If
Kenny
we're
ya...
really going to make this work, we're
Pero
all
sí, voy a cuidar de él porque... Porque sí, porque
I'll do my
Kenny mi
best.
casita.
I know.
Come on, slowpokes.
Lentejas. Nos acaba de llamar lentejas. Muy bien. Pero es que, a ver, Kenny siempre se pone así cuando pierde a alguien. Ha perdido a su novia, ha muerto la madre del bebé. Y el bebé para él es muy importante. Es como que ve a Patito a través de él, ¿sabes? Entonces, claro, está triste. Y cuando está triste se enfada. Porque es más fácil que llorar.
Wait up. Wait.
¿Me entiendes,
We
no?
need to stop.
No, I'm fine. Hey, I just need a second. Sorry, I just put more weight on it than I should have.
All right, wait there.
Arbo, te acabo de decir que te quedes quieto.
When I tell you something, you fucking listen, you understand?
Kenny, come on! There's no need for that.
He's getting what he deserves.
Está muy cabreado, ¿eh?
I'm fucking talking to you. I say stop.
Lo
You
entiende,
say stop.
solo que se hace un poco el sordo el niño,
He
¿vale?
understands.
Just fucking stay put.
I'm gonna have a word with Kenny. He doesn't have to treat him that way.
No, no hables con él porque vais a discutir.
You all right here?
Yeah. Go on and talk to him. I got Clem if I need anything.
Okay.
Tengo a Clem
Here,
por si
just
necesito
take the
algo.
baby.
Nah, lo que yo te diga, que me han visto cara de esclava.
Okay.
What is it with you guys?
What do you mean?
Every man I've known is always trying to let each other know how tough they are. Put them in their place. Bunch
¿Qué
of
dices?
dominant alpha male horse shit. And it all ends the same way.
Pues sí, la
Don't
verdad,
look
es
at
que
me.
se pelean mucho.
I ain't that guy.
Oh, that ain't true.
Solo
You
tienen
get in your
miedo.
fair share of pissing matches too.
They're just scared. That's when it happens. When they don't know what to do.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Guess it took a woman to talk some sense into him. Looks like Jane broke it up.
Keep pressure on it, okay? I'm gonna go fetch some bandages.
Vale. Nada, sí, lo que yo te diga. Esto va a acabar muy
Hey,
mal,
Bonnie.
¿eh? Hay muchas peleas en el grupo.
Yeah?
I'm sorry.
For what? I'll be right back.
Estos dos tenían rollo, te lo digo yo. Tenían rollo y ahora este está con la Jane. Y pues aquí hay un chisme que flipas. Estarás bien.
Don't worry. You're gonna be okay.
Yo te voy a cuidar, no te preocupes. Ay, me sonríe. Ay, Luke. Eres un poco tonto, pero se te quiere igual.
How did we get here?
¿A qué te refieres? ¡Caminamos!
What do you
Ay,
mean?
¿qué quieres decir?
Sitting in the snow, leaning up against a tree, bullet in my leg. But alive.
Pues
so
no
many of
sé.
my friends are dead for no good reason, and I couldn't do anything to stop it. Everyone we set out with just gone.
Ya, bueno.
Nick, Kate,
Cosas que
Alvin
pasan.
and Becca. Carlos.
No fue tu
Sarah.
culpa, tío. O sea, han
Don't
muerto y
blame
ya.
yourself. It wasn't your fault.
No, not completely. I could have done more, and that ain't up for debate. I know it in my bones, and I gotta live with it.
Pero a ver, es que si te cargas con todo el
Alright,
peso del
it's your
mundo,
work.
hijo, te va a dar una depresión que
That's perfect.
flipas. Y así no nos vas a servir de
What
nada.
I miss?
O sea, por favor, cálmate un poco.
Nothing much.
Está haciendo frío.
Cleaning, mostly.
I was just mentioning how cold it is lately.
Yeah. Good thing he got that cool jacket, huh?
Sí, sí. Qué pesa está con el
I'm
abrigo. Cada
sure
vez que
most
puede
of
me lo
that'll come
recuerda.
out with a little soap water.
Cada vez que puede me dice,
I'm fine.
te regalé un abrigo. Vale, ok.
Hey, Clem, go over and see if you can change the bandages on Kenny's wound.
Vale.
I offered, but I don't think he was comfortable with me doing it.
Hombre, yo tampoco me sentiría cómoda
But you know
contigo.
him better than I do. Maybe
Eh,
he'll let you do it.
bueno,
Okay.
That a girl. That's gonna sting, but only for a second. It's gonna clean it.
sí, sí.
Oh, I know what it does. It's gonna suck.
It's gotta get done.
Pues nada, para allá que voy, Kenny.
Go on.
I was thinking we go with Alvin Jr. What do you think?
Pues yo creo que le
Rebecca
pega.
mentioned she'd
Yo
like
creo
to
que le
name
pega
Alvin
bastante.
if it was a boy.
A sus papás les habría
I think
gustado.
his parents would have liked that.
Yeah, me too.
Sí.
Alvin Jr. it is. Do you like that? Well, I think AJ approves. What do you, got there?
Te vengo a curar las
'Cause I
heridas.
think I'm all right.
I'm changing your bandage.
Sounds like I don't have much choice in the matter.
Exactamente.
You don't.
You shouldn't have to do stuff like this.
Ya, bueno, pero siempre me
Shouldn't
toca.
have to do a lot of things.
All right. Let's get it over with. Hopefully it don't scare this little guy. Or
Vale.
you.
Nah, hombre, yo no me asusto. A ver. Para arriba. A ver cómo tienes el ojo.
So how's it look?
Bueno, podría estar
Still gonna be
peor.
pretty when this heals?
Se ve mejor que
Well,
antes.
It looks a lot better than it did.
And maybe my modeling days ain't
Mis
over.
días de modelo no se terminaron. Ay. Te adoro, Kenny, eres el mejor. Y para abajo, ahí está. Va a escocer, ¿eh?
So, I'm guessing this is gonna be the shitty part.
No seas un
Don't
bebé.
be a baby. We already got one.
Yeah, we do.
Eso, eso. Eso sí, no aprietes al bebé por el dolor, ¿eh? Que igual le rompes.
Holy fucking
Cuidado,
hell.
cuidado.
You need to stop squirming.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. You're right.
Eso, eso. Tú tranquilito, hombre. Yo te curo.
Sorry about the language, Junior. You're gonna be tougher than me when you're grown. I'm gonna expect you to be more of a gentleman than I am. But man, does that smart.
Puede
You can
escuchar
hear a few bad words.
algunas, no pasa nada.
I've heard plenty.
Yeah, that shouldn't have been the case.
Ya, pero
You're
bueno.
right about me giving myself up. I can't believe I was willing to sacrifice Alvin just to hold out a little longer. We should have saved him sooner. Got him out of the camp. I'm gonna think about that every time I look at Alvin Jr. here.
Comprensible, Kenny, comprensible.
Alvin should be here, raising this boy. It should
Es la
be
culpa
him.
de Carver, no
Carver's
tuya.
the one who did it, not you.
Yeah, I suppose. But I can't help but feel guilty.
Otro que carga con el peso del mundo sobre sus hombros. Madre mía. La gente. Ahí está. Te ha quedado el ojo estupendo.
All done.
Thank you, sweetie.
Yep.
Are we ready to go?
Sí, estamos ready. Nah, Luke está en la ruina,
Let's head
¿eh?
out.
Y todo porque no le he podido disparar al señor ese. Ahora me siento un poco mal.
Is that it? Hey, I'm talking to you.
Es que
What?
el pibe no ayuda, se queda en silencio.
It's what?
What do you mean, what? The place you're fucking taking
Los suministros están aquí.
Margot, is this where the supplies are? Where the food is?
Answer her, goddammit!
Pero cálmate, hombre.
At the house. There's still more walk. Some more hours.
God damn it! I knew this was gonna happen.
A ver, no tiene la culpa de que la casa esté a tomar por culo, también te digo.
Don't mention it.
It's getting dark. Maybe we should stop for the night.
This is bullshit.
Relax.
Don't tell me to relax. He's lying. He's been lying this
Luke
whole time.
necesita descansar.
Needs a break. We probably all do.
Look, I'll do whatever you guys want, okay? But I could use the rest.
It'd be safer to rest in there, where there's a fence. Can we just try and have a calm, quiet night,
Eso.
please?
O sea,
That sounds nice.
es que tampoco os estoy pidiendo demasiado. Os estoy
it does.
pidiendo un día de paz.
Sorry about that. It's all right, buddy. It's all right.
Eso.
If we're staying, we should scout this place out.
All right, y'all wait here. I'll go make sure this ain't some walker nest we're locking ourselves into.
I'll go with you.
See if you can calm him
Sí,
down a
sí,
bit.
yo me encargo. Total, me encargo siempre de todo. Pues ya que más da.
No, that's all you.
Pues muy bien.
Shh. It's okay. It's okay.
Eso, cálmate. Nah, me adora el niño. Me adora. Me adora, si es que normal.
I think he likes you.
Pues sí.
Calms right
Es
down.
muy bonito.
He's cute.
A few moments later.
Vale, he tenido que parar la grabación porque alguien ha llamado al timbre. La verdad es que no sé quién era. Pero ya está. Ya hemos vuelto.
Babies are pretty ugly this soon after being born.
That's true. They usually look like weird little aliens.
Here, I got him.
Come on over. It's safe.
Vale. Pues para allá que vamos. El chaval este... La ha liado parda, pero me da un poco de pena, ¿eh? Me da bastante pena. Lo tenemos ahí atado como un perro, ¿eh?
Today's my birthday.
Ah, sí.
Near as I can tell.
¿Qué edad
it's-
tienes?
Well, happy birthday, Luke.
Yeah, man. Happy birthday.
So, how old are you now?
I am 27 years old.
27.
That's pretty old.
Te acabo de llamar viejo
Sure
por
as
la
I feel
cara,
a
¿eh?
lot older.
Don't even start with that shit.
Got out of college 5 years ago. Feels like a million years. At least I don't have to worry about paying off them student loans.
I hear
A
that.
mí me
I'm
gustaba la
sure
escuela,
there's
se lo
some
dije a
asshole
Lee,
sitting on that
pero...
paperwork, waiting to collect.
Bueno,
I really liked school.
Just a waste of money.
una
Well,
pérdida de
The
dinero.
major in art history hasn't helped too much the last few years.
Historia del arte.
Sounds like you majored in working in a coffee shop.
Pretty much.
Oh, stop it.
Did get a minor in agriculture. Keep the old man happy.
Agricultura, ¿eh?
Oh, I almost forgot. Was saving it for a special occasion, and all it being your birthday and all.
Mírala, la
Figure.
alcohólica.
This is as good a time as any.
¿Dónde
Where did you
conseguiste
get it?
eso?
Bill kept all the alcohol in the armory. He didn't like people imbibing.
Ya,
What's that
porque
mean?
para eso ya estabas tú, ¿no?
Drinking.
Para bebértelo tú todo ya estabas, ¿no?
Feel a little guilty taking the first.
Whoa, wait! You gotta make a toast.
I'm not really the.
Come on, birthday boy. It don't have to be fancy.
A toast means we all got something to drink.
Oh, we can just pass the bottle around afterwards. Go on.
Venga, un brindis, coño.
To the loved ones that we've lost along the way, and to the hope that we see them again
Oh,
someday.
No, Kenny se acaba de deprimir mogollón con eso, ¿eh?
That was real nice.
Yeah? I didn't mean for it to rhyme. That was...
Well, I got first watch.
I think the fences got us pretty secure.
We can't be too careful.
The baby might be cold.
Puedo yo tomar la primera
I can
guardia,
take
¿eh?
Nah, you stay warm.
Vale.
Let him go.
I'm gonna post up over near the hole in the fence there. Holler if you need anything.
Thanks, Kenny.
Nah, es que la has deprimido con esa frase.
Fire's real nice. Plenty of room if you want to get warm.
Maybe in a bit.
Nah, ella es una chica solitaria.
I didn't expect her to come back. Just when I thought I got her figured out, she up and surprises.
It's a good thing. You saved our ass.
I know.
Tal vez se siente sola.
Don't know what she's getting at all this.
She usually travels by herself. That has to be hard. Maybe she's just lonely.
Well, that'd explain a few things. Oh, come on. I'm just teasing.
Nah, estos dos
That
tenían
was
rollo.
stupid.
I understand. She's a pretty girl. Once you get
Detrás
back
de
to
toda esa
the
mugre, ¿sabes? La llamo mugrosa.
I don't know. Guess I just wanted to forget about all this shit for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Man, that's longer than I'd last.
No, están hablando de cosas que no, ¿eh?
Alright, it wasn't 10 minutes.
Come
Que soy
on.
una niña.
We got a little one around.
Eso.
Sorry. Forget I said anything.
It's my fault for bringing it up.
Sé a
I
qué
know
te
what you
refieres.
guys are talking about.
I certainly hope not.
Sí, sí.
Talking about kissing stuff.
Sí, sí. Veis, yo me entero de todo.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. That is exactly it.
Sí,
Was
sí.
there any kissing?
You shut your mouth right now. The both of you.
No, vaya people.
Maybe she came back for you.
Una polla, regresó por mí.
I don't know what to say to that.
Yo me callo y no te lo restriego en la cara
Well,
que ha
I
vuelto
guess
por
we
mí
learned
porque
something.
igual te deprimes,
Yeah?
Luke.
Well, what's that?
Luke's a regular Casanova.
Hey, shut up.
Don't be modest. Your moves are working on all the ladies.
Worked on me.
Ay, está triste.
Shit. I just did it too, didn't I? Sorry. It's the drink talking.
They say
Sí,
a
solo
drunk
toma un
man's talk
sorbo.
is a sober man's thoughts.
Well, I ain't a man, so they can take that shit somewhere else. Clem, go see if you can get Jane and Kenny over by the fire. It's too cold for them to be out there like that. Oh, and here, maybe a swig of this will change their minds.
Me parece correcto. Vale, también puedo ir a hablar con el niño. Está un poquito solo, me da pena. Sí, puedo hablar con él. Hola, Arbo. Vengo a hablar contigo, sé que no te caigo bien. Lamento lo de tu hermana.
I'm sorry about your sister.
No parece que quiera hablar. Así que te dejo, ¿vale? Solo vengo a darte el pésame. Y primero yo voy a ir a hablar con Kenny. Jane me la pela.
I miss TV. Feels like forever since we had electricity.
Hombre, ya ves. A ver. ¿Quieres un trago? ¿No? Pues no. Yo recuerdo que a ti te gustaba ahogar tus penas en el alcohol, ¿eh? Me acuerdo bien. Pero si no quieres, pues hablo contigo y ya.
Little guy. Shh. Shh, I got you. I got you.
Hey,
Oh, hey, Clem. Just, needed some air.
Sí, se te ha notado.
air everywhere.
I'm sorry for how I acted back there. After
No, a
Serena.
ver, estabas enfadado, es normal.
I couldn't handle it. I'm sorry. I mean, you did what you could. You tried to help, and I blamed you for it.
No hay nada de qué
You
disculparse.
don't have anything to apologize for. I know you didn't mean it.
Thanks.
De nada, hombre. Si es que yo ya te conozco desde hace
I
mucho.
miss my boy. I miss him so much.
Ya.
I didn't raise him like I should have. Made mistakes. Wasn't there a whole lot for a couple years. Off on a
Vaya que
boat
eras
somewhere.
padre ausente que te cagas.
I thought I enjoyed that time away from him. From my family. But I'd give anything for one more second with them.
Lo sé.
To play catch with
Yo
them.
también le echo de menos.
I miss Duck too. He was a good friend. And I haven't had too many of them.
He was a good boy. Pure. Just wanted folks to be happy, that's all.
Era un poco bobalicón, pero se le quería igual, hombre. A Patito, pobrecito.
It's gonna be different with him. He's gonna get raised right. I won't make the same mistakes again. That's a promise.
Y yo te voy a ayudar, hombre, Kenny.
You should get back over by the fire. Ain't no sense in both of us being over here.
Tú también
I
deberías
can handle
venir.
watch on my own.
You should come too.
I don't know.
Come on.
Que sí,
It'll be
hombre.
good for everyone.
Además que el bebé necesita calorcito.
Yeah, okay.
Y ahora hablar con la otra. Venga, vamos. Uy, me voy para atrás. Hola Jane, ¿quieres un poco de vino?
They expect you to lure me over there with alcohol?
Sí, la verdad que sí.
I wouldn't have expected a bottle to last this long.
Queremos que te sientas
I just
bienvenida.
want you to feel welcome. It's warm over by the fire.
What is it?
It's rum.
Ah, bueno, pues es ron, no vino. Sirve igual, hombre. ¿Te gusta Luke, eh? No me extraña, si es que es un chico guapo. Si es
I don't
que
know.
normal.
It might be awkward. I wasn't expecting to, you know.
Solo si lo
It'll
haces un
only be
poco
weird
raro.
If you make it weird. Just be cool. Hang out.
I wish it was that easy.
It is. People just love making it harder than it has to be.
Why does this feel like I'm signing a contract or something?
Pues porque, bueno, ahora formas parte de un grupo, tal. No estás acostumbrada, ¿verdad?
Have you had any? Want a sip?
Que tengo 11
It's
años,
okay.
por favor. Soy una niña.
I'm a kid.
Okay then. Suit yourself. I wasn't too much older than you when I had my first drink. God, I was so stupid back then.
Pues por eso mismo,
There was
porque
this
tú eras
time I
estúpida,
broke
yo
into
no.
my parents' liquor cabinet and drank a whole bottle of this really spicy, sweet liquor. Oh, what was its name? It was dumb. Earthquake or something.
Sounds like you were a bad kid.
I guess I was.
Pues sí, ¿eh? Porque madre
At
mía.
the bottom of the bottle, there were these sugar crystals, and I got it in my head that I really wanted to eat a couple. So I got the bright idea to smash it on my parents' dining room floor to get at them.
Ah, muy bien.
And it shattered into a
Se
thousand
brotó en 1000
pieces
pedacitos.
all over the dining room.
Eso es muy
Wow.
tonto.
That's really stupid.
Yeah, Clem. I was drunk. The problem with glass is it looks a lot like sugar crystals.
That's never really been a problem for me.
Pues no, ¿eh?
Keep it that way. My sister found me, drunk, blood pouring out of my mouth.
Muy bien.
Jamie
¿Te
thought I
pusiste a comer,
slammed, so she
Cristal?
called 911.
¿Comiste
Felt my
vidrio?
stomach.
You ate glass?
I ate glass.
Pues vaya.
I haven't thought about that in a long time. I guess a deal's a deal. Here.
Venga, vente para el grupo, hombre.
Time to not make it weird.
Pues ya estaría. Yo creo que Clementine es el pegamento que une este equipo, ¿eh?
Wanna sit
Porque
No. that's-
sin mí se discutirían
Okay.
siempre. 100%.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wherever you like.
Pues ya estaría aquí todo el equipo. El árbol está ahí medio llorón, así que bueno, le vamos a dejar un ratito ahí, chilling, la vida loca.
Jane, you don't have to justify that with a response.
Hey, I find it's best to just get this stuff out in the open. Less drama.
Well, that's fine. But I can confirm there was no time for kissing.
Vaya.
Shh. All right, enough of that.
Nah, venga, justo cuando se pone interesante os calláis.
Nice to hear people laughing.
Yeah,
Ay,
it is.
qué chismosa
Just
soy.
spend so much time trying to stay alive that you don't get a chance to enjoy living.
Yeah. We need to make more time for that.
Alcohol helps.
Hell yeah, it does.
No. Y ahora van a sacar el tema del chaval.
We got someone else that might need some help.
E igual hay pelea, porque Kenny le tiene
Sounds
muchísimas
like a
ganas.
waste of good rum.
He lost his sister today.
And whose fault was that?
Tampoco me agrada, pero... Pobre hombre,
I
hombre.
don't like it either, but we shouldn't let it ruin a nice night.
I said my piece.
Ya, ya.
I don't think that boy's a bad person. I just think good people do bad things sometimes.
Ya, pero es que yo ni siquiera le robé y me ha venido a tirotear. ¿Tú lo ves normal? Yo no lo veo
I
normal.
think it's best to
Y encima está cabreado. Y ahora está gritando y van a venir los zombies.
Okay? My fault. I shouldn't have...
Kenny, cálmate. Relax. Respira hondo.
It's okay. It's okay. She's in a better place.
Пожалуйста, нет, Наташа, сестричка.
It's okay. It's okay.
Está triste.
Maybe it's best if we all get some rest. Who knows how long a walk we got tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'll take first watch.
Thank you, Kenny. Really.
Don't mention it.
Creo que más o menos se vuelven a llevar bien. Más o menos.
Nice while it lasted.
Ya. Pues nada, ya estaría.
You sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
No. Dice que está bien, pero está en la ruina, ¿eh?
Okay, will you do that?
Que no te engañe.
It's no trouble.
How much further?
Close. Very close.
You've been saying that
vale.
every time I ask.
Please. Come.
Un zombie.
I'm really starting to think
Un zombie,
you're
Kenny.
full of shit.
It can't be much further.
Kenny, look out!
What the fuck? Ah!
Oh my. Ay, Dios. Ay, zombie. Fuera. A Kenny no.
Jesus Christ.
¿Y el bebé dónde está? Vale, lo
That
tiene
was
Mike.
close.
Fucker came out of nowhere.
That was real loud. Hopefully there aren't more of them.
Yeah, well, let's move. We don't want to be around
Eso,
to
eso.
find out.
It's very
Vámonos.
close. Come. There.
That piece of shit? It's
Está
half
cagada. Bueno, a ver, es mejor que dormir a la intemperie,
We're
piénsalo.
here for the supplies, not the house.
It's warm.
Mientras haya comida,
Fireplace.
a mí me
Very
sirve.
warm.
As long as there's food, who cares what it looks like?
You're not gonna think that when you wake up with a couple inches of snow covering you.
Ya, pero bueno, es lo que hay.
Are we just gonna walk over?
No sé yo si cruzar un lago barra
Maybe there's a
río
way around.
congelado es buena idea,
I
¿eh?
don't
Pero
see
bueno.
any.
Можно идти. Там
Say it
твердый
in
лед.
American, asshole.
It's okay. Walk. Ice.
No shit ice. That's the problem.
Deberíamos ir
It's fine.
lentamente.
If we just go real slow, it'll probably be okay.
Yeah, no need to rush this.
Sí, sin
We need to spread
amontonarnos,
out,
porque si no se
just to be
rompe.
safe. Less wait, the better.
Let the Rusky go first, since he's so confident.
It's okay.
El ruso primero. Y ahora es como la lía. Tengo un presentimiento, la va a liar. Un lago congelado, un ruso que no le caemos bien. Yo lo siento, pero no me fío de este señor. Vale, aquí. Voy a intentar no ir muy cerca de Jane. Así, me paro un poco. Y Luke va el último. Ya verás. El que va el último siempre le pasa algo. Como le pase algo, mira. Vale, vale. Ten cuidado tú, que encima tienes la pierna mala y detrás mira lo que viene.
We got some walkers behind us.
It's only a few of them. Should be all right.
Let's just get to the house.
Vale.
Hey, stay with us.
Sí, se va a ir corriendo. Te lo digo yo.
That's two less to deal with.
We'll just stay spread out and we'll be fine.
Hey,
Y se va corriendo. Si es que te he dicho que el ruso la iba a liar.
Kenny!
get back here, you piece of shit.
No le hagas daño, ¿eh?
Kenny!
Ahora no, que estamos en un lago congelado. Luego ya, si quieres, le pegas. Bueno,
Well, they made it.
sí, vamos para adelante. ¿Y Luke? ¡No! Mira, te lo he dicho. El que va el último siempre le pasa algo. Y encima él cojo. Si es que tenía toda la pinta de que le iba a pasar algo. No, 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 no te acerques. No te acerques, Bonnie.
Hey, I can make it. It's fine.
Vale.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sí, sí. Si te acercas se va a romper 100%.
Walker's on the way. Let me help.
¡No, no, no! Quédate quieta. Nah, qué retrasada mental. ¿Ves? Se va a caer. ¡No, no, no! ¡No te acerques! Ay, de verdad, esta mujer.
I'm fine.
No, you're not.
I just gotta pull
Fuera.
myself out.
You gotta get out of there, Luke.
Yeah, Clem. I'm working on it.
Vale, vale.
You need to help.
No.
¿Pero yo por qué?
Clem,
You're
go.
gonna fall.
A ver, yo soy menos pesada. Pero si me acerco igual se rompe todo.
You're light. You
Stop
can do it.
telling her that. Clem, look at me. Pull out your gun.
Vale.
and shoot
Yo
those
te cubro.
sandwalkers, okay? Just give me a little time.
Clem, you can make it. But you need to
Cubrir
go.
a Luke.
Thanks. Thanks. I'll be on the
Si
safe
me
side.
acerco igual se
Keep
cae.
shooting.
Vale, ahí. A este que está más cerca, no. Fuera. Ahí.
Hold on, I got you.
Pero si te dan la cabeza, no mientas.
No, no, it's too much.
Ahí. ¡No te acerques! ¡Ay, qué retrasada mental, por favor! ¡Se va a caer! ¡Hala! Y ahora se caen los dos, por retrasados. Es que de verdad. Va la bonita y se acerca. Para ahogarse los dos. Muy bien. Oye, están debajo. Voy a romper el hielo. Voy a romper el hielo. Tengo que romperlo. Con el arma. Con el arma. Yo puedo. No es too late. Yo puedo salvar a Luke.
Nothing more you can do.
Sí puedo. Sí puedo. Tenme fe, hombre. ¡Oh! ¡Cu! Yo puedo salvar a Luke. No, creo que está muerto, ¿eh? No puede ser. No puede... Voy a matar a Bonnie. Voy a matar a Bonnie. Es que es tonta. Es que no.
Fuck. It's okay, I got you. I got you.
Como sobreviva Bonnie.
You're gonna be okay.
Mira, y sobrevive la cerda. Es que va y sobrevive la maldita marrana. Es que... Mientras el otro muere porque es tonto y se acerca al hielo roto. Es que de verdad. La gente estúpida... Mira. Se ha guardado, ¿verdad? Se ha guardado. Vamos al menú principal. Vamos a ver. Ponía guardando. Yo creo que se ha guardado. Esta mujer, es que de verdad... Bonnie me cae mal. Es que me recuerda a Ben. Es que es Ben versión mujer. Y encima más retrasada. Es que no puedo con ella. No puedo. A ver. Vale, sí, se ha guardado a partida. Se me ha muerto el chico guapo, tío. Se me ha muerto el chico guapo. No sé si había alguna forma de salvarle. Yo creo que acercándome se iba a romper el hielo igual. Pero es que de verdad no puedo, ¿eh? No puedo. La estupidez humana me pone de mal humor. En fin. Espero que os haya gustado el vídeo. Se ha acabado el capítulo de una forma un poco decadente y triste. Es la muerte más triste que he visto en mi vida, te lo juro, ¿eh? O sea, podría estar llorando por Luke, porque es un personaje al que le tengo cariño, pero es que ha sido una muerte tan patética que es que no sé cómo tomármelo. Estoy en shock. Pues nada, eso. Espero que os haya gustado el vídeo. Y nos vemos en el próximo capítulo, porque madre mía, este equipo, el equipo de tontos.